paradza bagidi pasondo rimwe agare wapedze bagidi watinaine tsondo pamba pemupembo nomuzukuru bhukutu rinopedze mwedzi asi iwe mubhachula bagidi alipedze sondo kurya iko kunenge kuparadza bagidi pasondo rimwe varovati miri body rimwe.
In my view, with the failed Minister of Sports and Youth, you can actually see that this is just a wasted talent in the nation of Zimbabwe, because it's someone with potential to do a lot of things. It's someone with potential to get into the arts industry. But because the youth minister herself, together with the Minister of Youth, are not promoting these things to make sure that everybody access a arts industry. Let us take a look on the issue. Number one, the cost of data itself. Go to Econet. It's now $12 for you to get 10 gig of data, and that 10 gig will not last you a week if you are a content creator. So if you want to view or if you want to watch content on social media, that $12 also is not going to last you a week. It means all in all, you need almost $10 a week for you to be $12 a week for you to be able to be streaming in the nation of Zimbabwe. That is around $40 the whole month. And do we have youths who are unemployed affording to pay or to have data costing up to $48 for them to be able to stream each and every week? So this is the problem we have in Zimbabwe. We have a failed leadership which has led to the failed economy, and because of that, our artists cannot be promoted, our artists cannot be supported in terms of viewership. So this is what is happening. I don't know, guys. Let us talk. What do you really think about this?